Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lawnmower lifts, powerful lift tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Kopachi Push Lawnmower Lift Tools. Click here to view on Amazon. The next on our list is the Kopachi Push Lawnmower Lift that has a lifting capacity of 110 pounds and a lifting height of 22 inches. Compared to the unit mentioned previously, this one is designed for push lawnmowers. The assembly is easy and so the operation. With its adjustable height, you can set the tool according to your preferred height and make the repairs and cleaning you need to do. Kopachi also reassures long-lasting and sturdy quality with its heavy steel material. This also keeps the lawnmower stable while checking the bottom parts and the sides. Moving on at number 4, we have the Mojackhdl 500 MultiLevel Safety Braking System Lawnmower Lift. The Mojackhdl lift is another option you can check for lifting lawnmowers, and some consumers also use it for their ATVs. With its durable quality, MoJack guarantees an easier access for your equipment and make the repairs and cleaning you need. You can remove or sharpen the blades easily. MoJack also designed it with a safety braking system for superior safety whenever you're using the tool for lifting and fixing your unit. It includes a lever that you can use to lift your unit and lock it up according to your preferred height. If you want to lower it down, the cylinder moves in a slow descent manner. According to their official site, this lift has a weight capacity of 500 pounds and a lifting capacity of 24 inches. It also folds flat for easy storage.
At number 3, we have the Lawnmower Lift and Farm Mechanical Jack. For a heavy-duty mower, you need a heavy-duty mower lift to provide the maintenance it needs. If you have zero-turn mowers, residential and commercial mowers, and any 750-pound mower you need to clean or repair, this lawnmower lift from Lauren will do. It has a lifting capacity of 750 pounds and a lifting height of 26 inches. You can operate the lift using the lever that raises your unit up to 26 inches. In that way, you'll be able to get into the parts and make some fixing or cleaning. It is also a multifunctional tool that you can use for your other equipment. It is convertible to a 4,600-pound mechanical jack that can lift cars and trucks. And to make sure you're all safe when doing the maintenance, this lift is designed with safety pins that lock the unit in place. At number 2, we have the Prolift T5305 Lawnmower Lift. If you need a lift for your zero-turn lawnmowers or riding tractors, the Prolift T5305 Lawnmower Lift is an ideal pick. It can lift lawnmowers with a weight of 500 pounds. You can also use it for push mowers, ATVs, and garden tractors. And as it provides a 26-inch lifting height, it maximizes the space for repairs and cleaning. You can provide a thorough inspection and checkups for your equipment. The lift is also designed with wider baskets for the wheels that will keep the unit stable while you're doing some maintenance. It is easy to lift and lower. Prolift engineered it with a hydraulic cylinder that glides smoothly and slowly when you lift and lower the unit. And for added safety and stability, the height-locking levers lock the unit in place. And finally at number 1, we have the Prolift T5335A Lawnmower Lift. The T5335A Lawnmower Lift model from Prolift are available in 3 lifting capacities. This entry has a capacity of 350 pounds that can lift mowers within this range. As a signature feature, Prolift designed it with a hydraulic cylinder that enables the lift to engage in a slow movement when you lower the unit down. It also lifts easily and smoothly through the lever and the jack pump that you can push to adjust the height. The non-slip pedal provides an easy lift. As it is designed primarily for zero-turn tractors and tractors, it ensures a heavy-duty quality. It locks the lift in place with the height-locking levers. It secures the unit and keeps it in place. There are also wheel baskets that enhance stability. So when you're repairing, it'll keep the unit from sliding or gliding. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.